Do you remember having such a terrible sore throat or an annoying cough that just kept tickling the back of your throat and wanting to have a soothing cough drop just to help you get better and find some ease? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own. Hey, I'm Monique, a pediatrician turned homeschool mom and keeper of my home. Here, I love to share family, health, home, and sustainability tips that will help to provide us with the skills and know-how that we all need to uplift and equip ourselves. Being better equipped, we will all be more sustainable. The ingredients are simple and easy to find. You're gonna need some ginger, garlic, lemon balm. I use the dried leaves, peppermint. I also used my dried and harvested leaves. You'll also need some honey. If you can get raw honey, of course, that would be best. And then you'll just need a little cane sugar. The process is simple and it does not take you very long. The ingredients that I personally chose are targeted for those times when we have a sore throat, an irritating cough, and a little annoyance of mucus that we want to get rid of when we have those respiratory symptoms. The ingredients are soothing, helps to rid us of the mucus buildup, and helps to alleviate some of that uncomfortable feeling that we may often get when we have a sore throat. It is so important if you can make your own remedies that are effective and good for you. Oftentimes, when you buy cough drops from the store, not only, of course, are you spending quite a bit, but you're also going to receive additive ingredients that are not things that you would normally want to consume, such as high fructose corn syrup, excess sugars, even sodium, dyes, and other non-natural ingredients that normally we would not want to put in our body, and more so, not a good idea to put in a body that is already ailing or ill. You want to use fresh and natural ingredients to help to heal, and not those that are commercial and unnatural. Only this, but many of us are aware of certain throat sprays and even cough drops that say that they have a numbing effect. in order to dull the pain of the sore throat. But from my recommendations, I would definitely try and avoid anything that's going to make a part of your body to be numb. You don't want to numb the problem, you want to heal the issue. So what you'd like to do is infuse the ingredients that you have into the liquid that you have gently heated on the stovetop for a little bit. And once it's infused for about 30 minutes or so, you would then be transferring your solution after straining out the particles and the bulk ingredients from it to a pot that you're then going to use to make your syrup in, which is going to be the base for your sore throat and cough drops. Because it can burn so quickly, and I wanted to show you what happened in one trial that I did myself. The next trial that we see here is the one that was a success. In this one, I watched it ever so carefully. I made sure that at just the right moment of turning of the syrup to kind of a nice amber to caramel color is when I immediately took the pot off the heat and then went ahead and poured the syrup into the candy molds. So be careful to watch it carefully because it does heat up and change its consistency quite quickly. Now you can always double the recipe, but being careful to use a deep pot to make sure there's no bubbling over, and that way you can have enough to last for yourself and to help some others if they have any sore throat, cough, or respiratory ailments that you want to help to relieve. So So you just let it set. You can let it set on its own outside and it will harden. But if you want to speed up the process, you can go ahead and place it in your freezer for a few minutes. And this is what we come up with. A wonderful throat lozenge that you can use to help yourself to feel better. Storing it on parchment paper just helps to prevent them from sticking to one another if ever they decided to. But it's all up to you how you'd like to store it. Some recipes do recommend putting a coating of confectioner's sugar or even cornstarch, but I find it was perfectly delicious and it did not stick, honestly, much to one another with the parchment paper. So I often opt to using a recipe and tailoring it so that I don't have any excess of sugar. And here we are, a wonderful remedy that you can use for yourself and share with family. Try making some of your own so that you have them on hand. And in taking things that are natural and effective, you are not only going to help yourself to feel better and take away the ache, but you are also going to help to heal the problem so that you can have an even speedier recovery. So please do keep that in mind when trying to find something to help to heal a sore throat and those annoying coughs that we all go through at times. And as we gain improved health and even healthier bodies, we will find that we really do not even encounter some of these common ailments that can plague many of us today. Having a healthy immune system and healing our body from within with the things that we eat, consume, the things that we use daily, it will put us in a better position in order to help us to maintain good health. But if those days come when we're not feeling well, definitely home remedies such as this are such a great help. I will link all the ingredients that I used and the book that I gained some inspiration from for recipes such as this. I hope you enjoyed this and that you'll try some for yourself. Keep well and healthy and continue taking care of yourself and each other. I'll see you soon.